LA County about to issue a new health order that will impact anyone who attends live outdoor sporting events, concerts, or theme parks and indoor places like bars and nightclubs. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda joins us live with what will soon be required. Carlos?
Well, LA County health officials say this new order should be implemented by the end of the week, and it would require stadiums, theme parks, and certain businesses to make sure workers and customers are vaccinated.
The Delta variant continues to spread, and LA County health officials now want what they call a targeted vaccine mandate or passport. To enter certain businesses or large events, customers would have to be fully vaccinated with at least one dose by October 7th and fully vaccinated by November 4th.
Vaccine verification would also be required for customers and employees at indoor portions of bars, wineries, breweries, nightclubs, and lounges.
She announced this at the Board of Supervisors this morning, and a concern for some is how will businesses implement this and what is acceptable proof of vaccination. Officials say they will work with businesses.
And we're going to stay with what the state is allowing everybody to accept. And at those bars, nightclubs, and lounges, everybody already has to show their ID. So they already have a person who has to make sure that people are, in fact, of age to be able to have an alcoholic beverage.
Meanwhile, Orange County says its overall numbers are improving. Its fully vaccinated rate is now 63.4%. The numbers, however, show children who are too young to get the shot are getting the disease at a high rate. According to new data from the American Academy of Pediatrics, childhood cases are up about 240% since July. Orange County says 69 children tested positive yesterday.
This is actually a slight increase in terms of the children that have tested positive. So last week we were at 15.2%. So it's critical that we keep our children masked in school, especially in the elementary schools where they cannot be vaccinated.
Governor Gavin Newsom visited a school today in Alameda County to talk about dealing with COVID in the classroom.
But we want to keep our kids safely back in person instruction. It's critical to get more people vaccinated, and it's critical that we have face coverings and masks to keep our kids safe and healthy and keep the professionals that are taking care of our kids safe and healthy.
And regarding that new LA County health order, if you don't have proof of a vaccine, you could show a negative COVID test taken within 72 hours. But officials say regardless of vaccinations, if you go to these large events, you would still have to wear a mask.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.